Samsung just made it with the Z Fold 4. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is getting insane updates which makes this phone the best foldable phone of this year. Meanwhile, Samsung will later launch new 50 megapixel lens, new 108 megapixel lens and introduction of the new 200 megapixel lens of the phone later this year. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August in an upcoming event alongside with the Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to get a lot better cameras than the Z Fold 3, but Samsung dropped the idea of 108 megapixel on Z Fold 4 due to a lack of space. Meanwhile, special edition Z Fold 4 is also coming. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you interested in getting Z Fold 4 this year, or you are waiting for the built-in S Pen? Yes, Samsung is not putting built-in S Pen in the Z Fold 4 and you guys will get the same S Pen just like the Z Fold 3, probably a better quality but with the same functionality. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to be the lightest foldable phone of this year, and we get the official figures of how heavy it is. According to ICNUS, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is not around 256 grams or 260 grams, but the official figures is 254 grams, which makes this phone the lightest foldable phone of this year. Although the last year Z Fold 3 weighed around 271 grams, and this year Vivo X Fold weighed around whopping 311 grams, one of the heaviest phone on this list, and Oppo Find N weighed around 275 grams. The only phone that can compete with the Z Fold 4 is Huawei Mate X2, which weighed around 255 grams to 257 grams. Amazing! But without Android OS, we can just admire the technology, nothing more. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 are going to get a special edition just like the previous generation. But sad news for those who really wanted 16 gigs of RAM in the Z Fold 4. This time, there is no option for 16 gigs on Z Fold 4, and I would say we really don't need that much of memory for the phone for now. 12 gigs of RAM is more than enough, just with a better optimization will get the job done. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will get a way better management of the crease than the previous generation, as according to the leaks, the hinge design has changed a lot, which makes the hinge part much smaller than the before and less noticeable crease than the previous generation. Some of the specs are confirmed for the Z Fold 4, where you guys will get Snapdragon 1 Plus processor with 12 gigs of RAM, 4400 mAh battery alongside 25 watt of fast charging, 7.6 inches 120Hz inner display, 6.2 inches 120Hz outer display, 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. Samsung at least listened to their consumers and gave them a way better cameras than the last generation. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys interested in Z Fold 4 this year, or you are waiting for the built-in S Pen? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.